human nature is wicked. Is it's selfish and it wants everything for itself and for the satisfaction of its flesh. Nothing spiritual. Satisfaction of its flesh. You know, let's say a loved one passed away. You know, like a loved one passed away, but you know they had faith in Christ and you know where they went. Let's say, yeah, you know they went to heaven. Why are you still grieving? Why are you still crying? You know where they went. You know they're resting in peace. But why are you still crying? You know? That's because it's human nature. That's your selfishness. You still want her around for the benefits for the benefits that she gave you or he gave you. You know? For the increase that you got while they were still alive, you know?